All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Mpow H7 Pro Bluetooth headphones. So I've been using these bad boys for a good amount of time, and I felt like it's time to knock this fit and sound demo out. So let's go ahead and get it in. So today in this video, I'm gonna go over and give y'all an in-depth tour of the headphones and the buttons, and I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a fitting demonstration with two sound tests. One sound test is going to be a leakage test, and the other sound test I'm going to try and give y'all a nice crisp clear audio sample. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into this video. Now, I want to point out today, I am using my clip-on microphone, which is clipped to my shirt right here. So y'all should be getting some really nice audio. And I'm just talking naturally, so hopefully I'm not yelling into the mic. So let's go. Now, starting off, let's take a nice in-depth tour of the headphones. So on the right ear cup, we have all of the ports and the buttons. So y'all can see we got the micro USB charging port, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and we got the multifunction power on off and answer and phone call button. Then we have the multifunction volume rockers, which double as a long press for volume up and down, and a short press for a single press for next previous track. So next track is volume up, previous track is volume down, and that's a press and hold. All right, good stuff. Okay, my bad, I said that backwards. Next track is a single press on the volume up, and previous track is a single press on the volume down. Volume is a long press on the volume up, and the volume down is a long press on the volume down. Okay, good, we got it right there. And then you can see we just got our LED light indicator right here, okay? And I think that's also where the microphone is located, so good stuff there. Now, y'all can also see we got these swiveling air cups. So these air cups do swivel. As you can see right there, they are swiveling air cups. I'm not a big fan of that. And then they are fully adjustable. So you can see right here, you can fully adjust these, so they should fit any size head, okay? So real quick walk around of the headphones, and y'all can see they got the nice matte company branding on each earphone. So good stuff there. And then if we take a look on the inner part of the headphones, let me show you this. You can see they are branded right and left on the inner part. So you can see this is the right ear cup. And then if I spin it, this is the left ear cup. Right there, as you can see. So real nice in-depth tour. Now I've already maxed out the headphones, and I have them paired up to my S7 here, as y'all can see. So now I'm going to put them on my head, let y'all see how they fit, and then we're going to go into the sound test. So let's go. All right. So a nice solid fit, in my opinion. Now it is a little bit looser than I would like, and I did notice when I'm using it, it does have a tendency to slide around. I like that more firm, compressed fit, because I like it to really clamp on my head, give me that nice tight seal. But overall, it's a good fit. Not the best, but good. So let me show y'all. This is the left, right there. And then here's the right there. And I'm getting a decent amount of sound isolation. I can still hear myself talk at a pretty good volume. So I would say the sound isolation and passive isolation is decent. It's not the best, but it's decent. All right. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and play the music for you guys, and we're going to get into the audio test. Now, I'll provide a link to my headphone or earphone testing playlist, so y'all can hear some of the music that I tested when I was testing these headphones down below in the video description. But I am going to use copyright-free music for this video, so we don't run into any issues. So if you want to get an idea of the music I tested while I was testing these, check out the link to the playlist I'll have down below in the video description. Okay, now let's get started. So let's go ahead and push play. Now we have one tap, play and pause on the multifunction on-off button to play and pause the music. So let's push play now. And let's check for leakage. Here we go. Woo! Ooh! Ooh! Okay, let me pause this. Okay. Man, these sound really good. The differentiation between the instruments and the tones is almost spot on. And the bass, the bass on these, yes, I like these. So the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these is top notch in my opinion. Some really good stuff here. The overall fit is okay. It's good. It could be better, but it is what it is. Y'all let me know, were y'all able to pick up any leakage from the microphone? Now it's less than a foot away. As you can see, it's clipped onto my shirt. So let me know if y'all picked up any sound leakage. Now I'm gonna push play again. I'm gonna hold the headphones up to the mic and I'm gonna attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. So let's get started. Let me push play. And let me hold them up to the mic now. Oh, good leakage. And we'll hold this for about 30 seconds to a minute, starting now. Oh yeah. Okay. Pause this. Okay, so real quick sound sample, and that pretty much brings an end to this video. So y'all let me know what you think. How do you feel the headphones did? And let me know what you think of the overall sound quality. That being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Alright, I hope everyone's staying safe out there. And I hope y'all are having a great day. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace. We out of here.